Let me know if you can guess what you think it is, what's in the bag. Well, we know it's Louis Vuitton, but I know just guess. Guess. Put in the comments below and see if you can guess what's in the bag. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystylecouture here, back with my first luxury unboxing. So I can't wait to tell you guys what it is. I can't wait to share with you guys. I get a lot of questions about like why it took me so long to buy my first luxury bag. You know, I've really looked at bags for years and years and years and years and years and years. And I've always been like, it's been like a mental thing for me as far as where I'm at in life, what things I've accomplished, what things I haven't accomplished, you know, what those bills looking like, because they are my biggest haters are the bills. And just in general, just how I felt about purchasing large items. So I want to kind of go over a little bit of that and talk about that as we do this unboxing today. So here it is, my first purchase. However, I would like to say that this is not just one item, it is 2 items. Yes. So let's start with the big one first, and we'll save this one to the end. So big signature ribbon. I've watched many unboxings in my time, so I know what it all looks like, how it's supposed to go. Let's see if I do it the right way today, since it is my own unboxing. Opening up the box. We're reaching inside. Ooh. Yeah, something really small. I'd like to say before I show this bag that I actually went to the Louis Vuitton store with an idea of what I was getting. I was like, oh, I want this, I want this, I want this. Once I actually started to try on the bags and put them on my silhouette, I was like, no, I don't like that. 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 It was so interesting. But my sales associate was very patient. She brought me everything I asked for. I was like, ooh, let me look at that one. Ooh, that one looks nice. Ooh, look at that. She was very patient. She laughed. She actually agreed with me when she said that a lot of people come into the store and they're like, oh, I want that. And she said they put it on and they're like, well, it doesn't match, you know, their style, their body type, their silhouette. So I was very much pleased with her. She was very, very good to me. I've heard so many different stories about different luxury brands and how they were treated, how people were treated. However, I was very lucky this time. I was treated very, very, very well. I'm actually going to insert a couple of videos here of me trying on some bags before we even start.
Leave the window open, my bones do shake. I won't wait for you. It's middle of night, but the street lights keep me awake.
So here she is. Let's see. Wow. I'm acting like this is my first time seeing it because I've had this bag for like a month and I had moved all this stuff, so I actually haven't even had a chance to really look at the bag, and wow, it looks very nice. Now I'm gonna have to look it up on my phone to tell you exactly what it is, but it comes with one strap. It comes with another strap because it's very versatile, as you can see, and it's actually the multi-pochette in the epi leather, which I liked. I want something black, something chic, something I can wear every day and just not even think about it. I also like the fact that these two pieces came apart and I could wear them as two separate pieces if I wanted to, which I definitely appreciate that. So instead of having one bag, now I have two. I like that it could be a shoulder bag, it could be a chain, it could be a crossbody. So let's see. I do like it a lot. Inside is so velvety. Ooh-wee. Look at all these little bruschetta leather. Very nice. These little guarantees, and this is that. The strap was pretty cool too, because you can change it to be whatever you want it to be. I just have to figure out how to do that today. So with my lifestyle and all the things I do with my hands, cameras, looking, talking to children, etc., I like a crossbody option. I also like my crossbodies to sit right here. Not down here, not up here, right here. So this was perfect. I also liked the little chain that came with it, the little leather and gold, because every once in a while I just want a nice shoulder bag. Every once in a while, something chic. I like every once in a while. And I also like the ability to wear them all together if I want to. Just kind of have that on there and the crossbody. So as the name suggests, multi, as in can be worn multiple ways. Wear it like that, and the chain just gives a little chain detail, kind of hanging down. I like this. Or I can make it short again, and then side, and then have this little detail at the bottom. So let me know below if you like the bag, what you think, how you would wear the bag, and let me know about if you'd wear it two separate, if you only use one part one time. Just let me know how you would style this bag and how you would wear it in different ways. But that's it. The multi-pochette in the epi leather with the big Louis V's on it, the big monograms. I actually like the bigger monograms. I like the fact that it's black. So, as I have to do this one more time. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that designer bags are dead? Are designer bags dead? Are they? What do I think? No. I do think maybe the experience, the designer bag experience has changed. Since 2020, the whole designer bag thing has been super accessible to everyone. So, you know, internet came along and now it's like we could see everything that everybody has on. We have influencers, we have so many things that we didn't have before. So now something that may seem so luxurious doesn't seem as luxurious as before because, you know, 20,000 people have it. However, I will say that a lot of these luxury brands have been killing with the price increases. So when you think about that, yes, I wish they would stop that part. Because, I mean, brands like Chanel, I mean, even Louis V, they've had several price increases since 2020. And I don't know, it's like the economy went like this, but they were like, nope, we're going to raise the price all the way. That doesn't make sense to me. I mean, Chanel's had like 3 or maybe 4 price increases. 4. So a bag that was cost like $5,000 now costs almost $10,000. And it's kind of like, I was listening to this was a trend that was going around YouTube maybe a couple weeks back from HRH Collection and Erica's Girly World, and they were saying, designer handbags are dead. HRH Collection, a lot to say about that one, but in her video, she was saying that they're dead. They're basically played out in a sense. They should be treated like trash. It's the simple bags that are cuter. The designer bag actually ruins the outfit. It makes you just look terrible. Those type of things. Do I feel that way? Again, no. I do think that a lot of times designer bags elevate the outfit depending on the outfit, but you want it to complement the outfit, not stick out like a sore thumb. Of course, you brought up things like the Birkin that it seems like that was the most searched for and most purchased bag, and I want to say 2020. It was like everybody was at home and everybody was like, hey, I got some extra money, let's go online, let's buy a Birkin. I don't know. Apparently they were buying them like crazy in 2020, especially in that time when we were all at home. I also think that Erica's Girly World, she had some really good points. She was actually talking about how 2020 changed everyone's thought process. It changed what you thought was important. Yes, you may have had, extra money, like tons of extra money, but now you're like, do I want to use that for that? Or do I want to use that for something else? Do I want to go on a trip? Do I want to enjoy family? Do I want to go see my family? Let's all get together. I'd rather spend money on that than spend my money on just another bag. But she's not saying she's never going to stop. She's never going to stop. She's going to buy what she wants when she wants it. And I agree with that. So it's kind of the personal thing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you all think? Do you think designer handbags are dead? Do you think that you don't need them anymore? They're not necessary. They're not seen as a status symbol, because I think just that part alone, the status symbol of owning certain bags to certain people, are going to make people always buy the bags. I do think the experience has changed. Since 2020, the experience has changed. You've heard of people standing in long lines to get into Louis Vuitton. I know people that work in Lenox and Phipps, and they'll tell you, oh gosh, the Louis Vuitton store line is always around the corner. 2-hour waits, 1-hour waits. And yes, that doesn't feel very exclusive and very luxurious if you're waiting for an hour to get to a store just to look at some bags. I agree. But do I think that people are going to stop buying them? No. I do think that people have prioritized a little bit more since 2020 about what they spend their money on, simply because of the instability that we're living in. I mean, the economy's going up, it's going down. We don't know. We have wars going on. We have people are getting kicked out of their homes because the mortgages are going, the rents are going sky high. People are being homeless more times than ever. So I think a lot of that instability in the world has caused people to kind of reevaluate things. And that I agree with. So my second item was this Louis Vuitton belt. The name, I actually have to look up on my phone because I always forget it. It is the Daily Multi-Pocket 30mm belt. I ended up getting it in the 90. I guess it comes in like 3 or 4 sizes. I think 6, 70, 80, and 90. I think it might come in 60. And I got the 90. I don't know. That day I had on jeans. I think I was wearing it over my jeans. So I feel like this might be a little big. Let's try it on. I just love the little pockets. I was like, oh, I can put things in my pockets. I love pockets. Oh yeah, so this could have been way smaller, probably like right here. So we're gonna put it in the last one for now. I like this. Think about the front. It actually comes in 2 different colors. It comes in the dark monogram, and it also comes in the light monogram. I don't think they have it where it's kind of like the camel colored. I like the dark one better. I feel like it can elevate any dress, sweater, jeans, anything. So, all right, so here it is on with my little pleated skirt, my little Skims dupe from Shein. I like it a lot. Actually, I thought it would look good with skirts, look good with jeans, looks good over a blazer, anything. I just thought it would just add a little extra pop and make the outfit elevate just a little bit. I do think it's a little big for me, so I may have to trade it in for something for the size smaller. I like it though. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Think I should keep the same size just in case? I'm not planning on getting any bigger, ever. But, you know, do you think I should size down? I'm probably going to see if I can size down. I have to see if they even have it still, because that's the number one issue. Stuff goes so quick now. So I got to see if they have it. If they do, I might just size down to the 80. I think the 90 is just a little too big for me. Okay, so I have on some jeans that I thrifted. These are some Zara jeans, I think. Let's try the belt on with them. If it still gives off that way too big fashion. And it does. I don't know what I was thinking that day, because it is still on the last one. And it is still kind of big. Yes. What do you guys think? I like it. Yeah, definitely gonna see if we can size down on this one. Alright, back with my skirt on again and the belt. Definitely size on the belt. Decided that. Holding out the other bag again in closing. Thank you guys for joining me my first unboxing. It's actually my first unboxing and my first luxury unboxing. So I guess I should have more to come. However, I do some unboxings on my socials. So if you don't follow me there, it's at Crystyle Couture. And that's on IG, TikTok, Facebook. You can find me there, connect with me there, see more behind the scenes, see more finds that I find. So thank you guys again. If you guys is your first time, thank you so much for staying through the whole video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you're somebody that's returning, thank you again. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you.